Hey Jim, this is Viola with Gwinnett SEO. Thank you so much for taking the time out to speak with me yesterday. It seems like you were pretty busy, and thanks for clicking on this video. Now, I'm briefly going to show you 3 easy ways that you can improve your website so that you can start bringing in more customers. And if you're wondering why I'm making this video for you, it's pretty simple because there are a lot of business owners out there who just don't have the time to make the internet work for them. And it holds them back from hiring a marketing agency, especially since they don't know who is an expert and who's not. So I found that by making these attack plans and giving them away for free, some business owners do this themselves and some call me back and ask for some help. So if you want some help at the end of this video, then go ahead and give me a call. But if you want to do it yourself, please do. I'm just trying to help as many business owners as I possibly can. So now I'm going to talk to you today about content, backlinks, and citations. So first off, I love that you have a website. You do have a pretty decent looking website in regards to all the photos, etc. I mean, it actually looks good, but you want to keep in mind that Google doesn't care how good looking your website is though. Google's concern is about content. So when somebody goes to Google and they type in carpet cleaning Atlanta, Google's job is to put them in front of the article that has the most words on it. And that typically is the article like on this first page here of Google, and they all have at least maybe 1,500 to 2,000 words on their homepage. So you definitely want to increase the content on the homepage. I went ahead and pulled up one of your top competitors in the area, and just to take a look at their homepage. And even though, yeah, they got the cute dog and a lot of other great pictures on there, I actually like your pictures better, but the content, they have a lot more content on their homepage, and they still don't have 1,500 words, which just tells me that they're definitely very beatable. So you want to increase the content on the home page here. Now let's go back to Google real quick. I want to talk about something else. Now, when people go here and they click on this, usually for whatever reason, people bypass the ads, whether that be because of ad blockers or just bad experiences, but they usually stop here sometimes. And this is what we call the map pack, usually located directly underneath the map. And the way to get in here is all about your citations. And all a citation is basically your business name, address, and phone number listed across the World Wide Web throughout different directories, such as Yelp, Yellow Pages, Whitebook, Facebook even has a directory, Yext, etc. So the way to get this strategy going here would be to find out exactly how many citations your top competitor has, which right here will be Citrus Fresh Carpet Cleaning. And let's say, for example, if they have 20, you want to get yourself into at least 20 citations and then add another 20, 30, 40 on top of that. So that way you know that you're going to constantly outrank them month after month after month. So that's what's going to help you win in this area. Because let's be honest, nobody goes past the first page to look for anything, whether it's a t-shirt or a shoe or anything of that nature. Now, let's go right down here. As you can see, the same guys that are dominating in this area are also dominating organically down here. And this has everything to do with backlinks. So I'm going to jump over to a tool that I use. It's called Ahrefs. And I went ahead and put your business in here so I can take a look on the back end and see exactly what's going on. And what a backlink is simply, it's basically site A has a link on it that links back to site B, and in turn it pushes traffic to site B and possibly pushes value and pushes some traffic value to site B as well. So what this is telling me is that your business has 12 different websites that's referring back to you at least 48 times. And it's giving, you're using 23 keywords, and this is the amount of traffic and the amount of traffic value. Nothing to scoff at. Looks like you guys are fairly new in the game. Well, actually, it looks like you've been around for a few years, if this is correct. But nothing to scoff at. There are a lot of carpet cleaning companies out there that don't even have a website, yet alone another website linking back to them. So kudos to you on that. But let's take a look at that same competitor in this tool here called Ahrefs. And I want to jump into the backlinks because this is very important. This is one of those strategies that's going to help you win and get above in regards to Google. And the way I want you to look at this, I want you to keep this in mind. Not all backlinks are created equal. So let's say, for example, you got a backlink from Pizza Hut obviously Google knows you don't sell pizza for a living, so that's not going to be as powerful as like Zero Res giving you a backlink, because we all know Zero Res in regards to carpet cleaning, they're one of the gurus in Georgia. So if you get a backlink from them, that's going to be pretty powerful, you know, and so on and so forth. So the strategy here, I would go down this entire list, see exactly what backlinks are working for them, because if it's working for them, it's going to also work for you. And I would put myself in those same exact backlinks and make sure that I get that same drive that's being driven to their business that's given them an overview, let's see here, of at least 1,800 clients per month. Okay, so the last thing I want to talk to you about, and this is kind of a bonus, I want to dive into the keywords just so you understand. Whenever somebody clicks on carpet or types in carpet cleaning Atlanta, like you saw me do up here earlier, this is telling me that 350 different people look for that keyword per month. And this particular company gets 71 clients per month from that keyword, and they're in the #1 spot on Google. You see how that works? Let's just look at one more. Let's go down. Let's see. Carpet cleaning, Lawrenceville, Georgia. 300 people search for that per month. They get 47 out of that 300, and they're sitting in the #2 spot on Google, and they recently moved up from the #3 spot. Just in May, they were in the #3 spot. So you see, it's a constant ongoing thing. But these type of things is what you want to add to some of these. Let's see. If I try to save this picture, what will come up? Let's see. You want to save some of these keywords right here. Because although Google doesn't care how beautiful these steps are, they do read the photos and they will see what the keyword is behind the photo. So that's all I got for you today, Jim. Thanks so much. I hope you're able to put some of these things into action on your business. Regardless if you decide to give me a call or not, give me some feedback. Let me know if this was at all helpful. I would love to be able to tweak anything that I need to tweak, since I'm doing quite a few of these videos. Thanks, Jim. Have a great day.